Hello traders, welcome in our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about all things you should know about in ghost month. No? So kung natatakot ka ba about to trade or to invest during ghost month, so pag-aaralan natin yan at papatunayan natin kung totoo ba o hindi, no? Yung about sa mga speculations or yung mga sabi-sabi about the ghost month. No? So we can prepare no, ahead of time kung ano ang strategy na nararapat no before it will comes to us no para handa tayo at hindi tayo magugulat no sa anong ipapakita ng ating market. So if you find this discussion or video helpful to you, please do me a favor, please subscribe right now and hit the bell button so you will not miss any content that I make for you para maging updated sa latest market happening. So what we will talk about right now is what is ghost month, no? So, ano ba talaga siya? Bakit nauso itong kasabihan na to at bakit maraming mga investors or even traders na talagang pinag-uusapan to at kinatatakutan, some of them, especially with the Chinese, no? Para sa mga newbie, no? Para maunawaan nyo din kung ano ba talaga ito, bakit pag tuwing August or September talagang matunog to in the market at parang kinatatakutan ba talaga siya? Then how true really is the ghost month, no? So totoo ba siya or baka chismis lang, no? Or sabi-sabi lang para matakot yung mga tao, no? So ghost month in 2020 versus PSE, no? Or the whole index itself or our economy itself, no? So talaga may impact ba siya? Kasi mamaya nagkataon lang, no? Na halimbawa ghost month tapos red yung market, no? So pag-uusapan din natin. And of course, we should provide some proof, no? Kaya dapat meron tayong historical chart about the ghost month itself para you can see, no, in your own eyes kung talaga bang may basis itong pinag-uusapan natin dito. So first thing, what is ghost month, no? So ghost month is a Chinese, no, tradition, no? Right now, mag-start siya by August 15, 2020 up until September 17, 2020. At ang peak season niya is September 2, 2020. So how do I know? Because ni-research natin siya. So if you will try to search no ghost month no, so lalabas siya on September 2, 2020. Yan yung peak season no. So at least we all know na ito yung date no. Kung titingnan mo naman siya sa calendar, Wednesday siya, 'di ba? So balikan natin no. Ano ba or how true really is the ghost month? Sabi nila, Chinese is really believing in this because some of them might not invest or get into any agreements, especially involving money and business during this period because of fear in bad luck. Usually, yung ibang Chinese, dinadamay din nila when it comes to marriage, no, yung mga ganun. Kasi merong tradition na during this month, yung mga bad spirit or evil spirit, nandyan lang yan sa tabi-tabi. No? So, para iwas away, iwas gulo-gulo, minsan ayaw nila ng may mga nag-aaway kasi yan yung nag-entice, no? Nagpro-provoke sa mga evil spirit para malasin sila lalo. Kaya yung mga away-away or yung mga magsisimula ng business no or to do heavy transaction or bibili ng mga mabibigat na bagay like halimbawa real estate or business talaga na magi-start sila or magi-invest with stock market, talagang ina-avoid nila. And yan yung makakaapekto sa market. Bakit? Kasi you all know na 'di ba pag ang market walang buyers, there would not be enough push or momentum to the prices to go higher, no? Kasi nga walang buyers, walang susuporta doon sa price to go much even higher. And kung umangat man yan, no, without volume, as you all know, 'di ba, doon sa mentorship program natin, kung you are one of my students, 'di ba, pag walang volume tapos yung price is getting higher, it means yung conviction nun or yung pag-angat nun is not going to last long, no? So talagang eventually, sooner or later, kapag dumating na yung mga investors and traders, babagsak siya. Kasi kokonti lang yung nag-participate. Kumbaga, very illiquid yung market, no? Pero, it is not really 100% true, no? So mamaya papakita natin yung mga chart, no? Pero this is the real story behind those things, no? Kasi if the ghost month, no, na theory is 100% accurate, kung gano'n, before mag-ghost month pa lang, halimbawa ngayon, July, magbebenta na ako. I will liquidate my shares para I can sell on the peak, no, or on the maximum price that I could have, no. So pero hindi siya ganun na 100% na accurate. May sometimes na during ghost month lalong tumataas, may sometimes during ghost month bumabagsak. So mamaya pag-aaralan din natin 'yan. And of course, at the same time, managers across the world tend to liquidate and calibrate their performance. So nagle-liquidate sila tapos tinitingnan nila yung performance nila during the entire year na okay, maganda ba performance ko? Bakit pangit yung performance ko? What makes it wrong? What makes it right? No? So parang gina-judge nila yung sarili nila. Then of course, kapag alam nyo naman nagli-liquidate, there is a tendency that the sellers no will dominate the market, thus will make the price go much even lower, no. So alam nyo na kung walang masyadong buyers, no, kasi nga takot nga especially with the Chinese, no, kasi alam nyo naman sa Pilipinas there is a parang majority of the Chinese community, no, doing business, no. Konti lang naman ang Pilipino, and usually 'di ba Chinese yung marami talaga at nagdo-dominant dito sa ating bansa, no, na nagta-transact within business, and we are playing in the ground of business, 'di ba? Stock market is a business, no. So yung mga Henry C, 'di ba? SM, they are Chinese, no? Yung iba pa diyan na mga Chinese businessman din. So it will affect the market also, 'di ba? So next thing, ghost month no in 2020 versus the PSE. Alam naman natin na earning season na naman no for August for Q2 covering what months, 'di ba? April 2020, May and June 2020. Wherein ito take note. This is the period of the peak of community quarantine wherein the ECQ or enhanced community quarantine and modified enhanced community quarantine, 'di ba? So alam niya naman na during those season talagang patay ang business. Walang movement, 'di ba? ECQ essentials lang yung movement, right? MECQ essentials pa rin pero medyo niluwagan ng konti, no? Not unlike with GCQ or general community quarantine, 'di ba? So kung walang movement, no? I think medyo June na yata nag-MECQ, I forgot, no? Pero alam ko July nag-GCQ. So, kung walang movement, walang paggalaw no, ng economy, so alam nyo na yung mga business na non-essential, especially halimbawa travel, no, restaurant, they will declare no, some bad earning season or bad quarter no, for Q2. Yung Q1 nga, di ba, nakita natin how bad it is. And alam nyo naman yung coverage ng Q1, it is January, February, March. And nagsimula yung quarantine between March 15 to March 30. So parang ano lang siya parang less than a month, no? Parang half a month lang siya. Etong Q2 talagang sapul na sapul yung April, May, June. So kung nakita nyo na yung impact ng March, no? Kung nakita nyo yung impact ng March na ganun ng kaikli, how much more yung April, May, June na talagang solid yung impact niya, no? So alam nyo na yung magiging ganitong basis, of course you could expect na talagang babagsak yung expectation ng tao sa market, and of course kapag pumangit yung mga earnings, they will tend to liquidate their shares or they will tend to sell their shares. As you know na investors and traders, they don't want some sort of uncertainty, di ba? Gusto nila yung stable ang business para that's the time they will come in. And of course, uncertainties with COVID-19 pandemic is still a threat in the market, no, giving the investors more reason to shy in the market. Halimbawa, alam naman natin ghost month, no? And halimbawa, gusto niya mag-invest, sasabihin niya, saka na kasi tingnan mo nga ghost month at the same time COVID-19 hindi pa rin nalulutas, more likely magwa 100,000 na yung active cases dito sa Pilipinas. So parang nagiging escape route siya, no? Parang nagiging reason siya to hinder those investors to invest or for those traders to trade actively in the market, no? Parang sasabihin niya, total ano na rin ghost month tapos tamang-tama may COVID. So parang sign na yan na wag muna tayong mag-invest no in the market or to play in the market. So yan yung mga basis no for you to know na kung babagsak man yung market natin, no, if you try to observe our index, 'di ba, below 6,000 level, if talagang babagsak siya, it is not due to the ghost month itself, but of course the earnings no na pinapakita, of course, down din, no. So next thing, we will talk about historical charts about ghost month. So para makita nyo din na kung totoo ba talaga itong ghost month, kung talagang pagdating talaga ng August to September talagang red ang market, or kapag ka August to September sideways lang or green, no? So pag-uusapan natin. So let me just pull up the chart, no? So as you can see, ginawa lang natin dito is month basis, no? So pwede mong i-ano to, i-configure, no, yung chart mo into the month, no? So para hindi siya daily. And if you try to observe, no, kunwari dito sa May 2018. So kung makikita mo, yung September, August to September niya talagang bumagsak, no? Starting August, eto, kung makikita mo ito, August to September, bumagsak. Then dito kunwari August to September medyo umangat pero just 3%, no? And dito for example dito sa 2016 bumagsak, no? Two consecutive red candles like 4%. Then halimbawa dito sa May 2015 medyo matindi yung bagsak, no? 5 or 6% plus another 3%. So I have made already a research about this. Natali ko at around like 50-50 siya eh. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go down. So for the sake of ano na lang discussion, no, for example this one dito sa may 2013 yung August niya is negative 9%, then bumawi siya ng positive 2% on September. On in this 2012 naman, di ba, kung makikita mo August to September nag-down siya ng 2%, then bumawi siya ng 3%, so parang tabla-tabla lang. And if we try to observe, no, yung 2009 na we're in the world economic recession or yung mortgage prime crisis, no? So kung papansinin mo siya dito sa may sabihin nating 2009, no? Na August, ayan, no? Nag-up siya, no? 3%, then another like negative 3%. So tabla-tabla lang. And if we'll try to observe yung 2008, no? Halimbawa, starting from this one, negative ay positive 4%, then binawian siya ng negative 4%, parang tabla-tabla. So if you try to observe, no, way back like itong year 2000, wherein dito marami din pagbagsak na nangyari sa year 2000, no? So ayan, let me just zoom in the chart. So from August 1, no, nag-up siya ng around 9%, then next month nag-down siya ng negative 7. So parang all in all positive 2%. So as you all know, you can do this on your end, no, para i-backtest siya at itali nyo rin, no, kung meron kayong chart. Sa akin hindi ko na makita yung chart pero nagawa ko na siya I think last few years ago, starting from this like 1991. Tapos tinali ko siya, no, ilang beses siya nag-up, ilang beses siya nag-down. So I think 50% yun more or less, no? So dito pa lang malinaw na malinaw, 'di ba? Starting from 1991, if you will try to observe, 'di ba? For example, ito August 1991, positive wala pang 1% eh. So parang 0% to kasi 0.04. Then bumagsak siya ng 8%. So talagang if you will try to count this 1991, parang negative siya, no? So negative siya, then 1992 halimbawa, ito yung medyo makalumang tradition pa, so more likely naniniwala pa sila dito. So if you'll try to observe, 'di ba, parang negative 8% August, then binawian ng positive 2, then kunwari 1993 ng sabihin nating August, no, nag-up ng 1% or 2%, then another 11%. So parang makikita mo, 'di ba, iba-iba talaga yung ano eh. So nag-aano lang siya, nag-a-average lang siya, and it doesn't mean na kapag ghost month binebentahan. So again, you will just base your decisions, no, based on technical analysis. Kung talagang trader ka or di kaya kung investor ka, you should base your decisions based on fundamentals. If the price go down, no, due to the market only, pero yung fundamental ng company itself doesn't change, no, kunwari may earnings pa rin, the company is in the sector or in the industry na resilient against COVID-19, so then of course you should buy more, no. Pero pag bibili ka, make sure you parallel it with technical analysis na bumibili ka at the support level, not in the sense na nagka-catch ka ng falling knife. So you will just use the opportunity, no, because of this ghost month to just buy more and invest more kung investor perspective and investor mindset ka. So you have to do your fundamental analysis, i-review mo siya kasi meron ka naman 1 month almost, 'di ba, na more or less na mag-aaral ka, tapos maghahanap ka ng mga basis, no, na magpapatibay sa premise mo na talagang this company is worth to invest with, no. So kapag ka nakita mo na yung ganon, of course ibabato mo siya sa technical analysis for you to know kung saang price level mo siya pwedeng bilhin or saluhin, no? Na not just like catching a falling knife, but catching it on a very stable support, no? Yung mga talagang foundational na technical analysis. So that's it for now. I hope I have imparted some new lessons in you, and I hope this video make an impact in your life and for you to become a better trader in the future. So God bless us all, and of course good luck sa mga trades natin in this coming Ghost month. Be a better trader always.